Hello, welcome to Guangzhou SIPUXIN machinery. This is Hazel. Today I'd like to show you a professional machine for perfume making. This is the perfume manufacturing machine that integrates chilling, mixing, and filtering 3-in-1 functions. This capacity is 200 liters. Total set machine includes 6 parts. The first part is the control panel, control box, and the second part is the chilling and mixing tank. The third part is the pneumatic diaphragm pump. The fourth part is the microporous filter. The fifth part is the flame-typed filter. The sixth part is this preformed. Okay, first let's introduce you the tank first. The tank capacity is 200 liters. This is the pneumatic motor. Here is connect with the air compressor. Air from here to connect to apply the air powder for this motor. And let's see the tanks inside constructor. This is the mixing panel, and this is chilling pipes. Okay, you see the tank is so thickness because inside has the refrigeration layer and the insulation layer. This is the pneumatic diaphragm pump, which pumping out the perfume from the tank or pumping the perfume into the tank. Here is the microporous filter. They have 2 sets here, and its function is the filtering out the large size impurity. This is the first level filter. The perfume from the pipe through here, then filter. This is the first filter. This is the foam-typed filter. This is the second level filter. This is the filter out the tiny impurity. How to replace the membranes? Just lose the screw. Lose this screw too. This loose is like this. You see? Okay. This is the put into the paper. Let me show you. For example, this is your filter paper. Just replace, put into here. One by one. One by one, 2. Those had 10. So you need to put the paper into one by one. Then to move, then screw back this, like this. Okay. And for the filter, and this filter, just lose this. Then take out this. Then put the membrane into. Where is the membrane? Okay, here. Is the membrane. Then loose this screw, put the membrane into, it's okay. And this is the sampling port. When you want to take some perfume sampled for test, just loose this. Look at me, loose this. Then the perfume will drop out a little. You can use a cup to take the perfume for testing. Then screw up. This is the pressure gauge. Each filter has one, you see, and this also has one. It shows the pressure of the inside filter. If the pressure gauge, the number is up, high temperature shows high temperature, it means inside has something blockage. Then you should lose the screw to check if the membrane and the paper if have many impurities inside. Then if yes, then you should replace a new filter membranes and the new paper into. Okay, this platform is very strong and the bottom has the mobile wheels. You can move the machine anywhere you want. And here I have one water outlet. If the platform has water like this, you see, then you can draw out, you can make the water draw out from here. Then it will draw away the water away. You can connect with a pipe here. Okay, now let me show you the control box. Here is the primary power. Turn it on. Now it's on. If off, you can see here has the off. Come here, camera, come here. Here is the off, inside off. You see? Off. Turn it on. It shows on. Okay, it is first step. Now this is the second step. Then turn on the power switch. You can see. Now inside temperature is 5 degrees. Okay. Here is the compressor switch. Let's turn on. Here is the pneumatic diaphragm pump switch. It's this switch, this pump. Okay. If we turn this on, the pump will pump the water into the tank. Let's see. Let me show you. Okay, come here. You can see the water. The pump the water into. You can see the water is from the tank. This valve is open. Then this off. If this open, the water will drop out from here. Now this off. Then this on. It's open. Then recycle back. Water out, then recycle back. Now it's recycle the water. And here, this is the pneumatic mixing switch. Let's turn it on. Okay, let's see inside. The mixing handle is working now. You can see the mixing handle working. Okay. This is the temperature control. Now it shows the tank inside temperature is 5 degrees. Now we want it to become 6 agree, then set here. Okay, now let me introduce the valve. You see here many valves, and this is the number 1 valve. Now is open. If you want close, just pull out like this, then move like this. Now it's closed. Open is like this. The perfume out from this pipe, then from the pond, pointing into the tank. Then it's recycled out. Then from this pipe, recycle back to the tank. This is the function is for mixing, recycling the perfume one time, 2 times. Then make the perfume very even. And this must close. If you open the wood, the perfume will drop out. So ensure this is closed. And this should open. Then it can recycle. You see, this open from the pond. This open, recycle back. Remember, this and this must close. Otherwise, the perfume will out to the filter. Okay, the recycle is introduced. Now, let me introduce the pipe of from the tank to first level filter, the second level filter, then back. This is the must open this valve. Then the perfume to here. Then this also need to open and come here, filter the first level filter, and from here, then recycle. This must close, otherwise the perfume will drop out. Then back the perfume back. Okay, back here. If want recycle back, the tank here must also open. This open, then come here. Oh, here. This must close here. This open, then come here, close. It can through out, so it move, come, then back into the tank. The valve depends on your perfume making process. Depends on your process. You can open or off. It depends on you. But ensure this and this close. If you want to draw out the perfume, then open this. For example, the perfume finish filtering, then come here. Then you want the perfume out. Then you turn. This is the perfume professional making machine. So if you want to order, please call us SIPUXIN, and we support custom the capacitor if any you want. This is 200 capacity. If you want to custom 500, 1,000 liters, every capacity we can do for you. Thank you.